What's up guys, my name is Tony and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and a try on of the Lululemon The Short 6-inch with a built-in liner in the olive green colorway. Now before I start these videos, just so you know, I do work for Lululemon. I work for their head office in Vancouver, so I do have that affiliation to them. Okay, so I made a mistake with these shorts. I bought two pairs by accident. So I actually already have one that I did try on and work out in because I wanted to see how it was. So I'm not going to open these, but this is just the general packaging that it comes in. And I have the shorts right here. So now if we look at the tag says, so it's The Short 7-inch lined and then SE, whatever that means, train hard, move freely. So it's a mesh fabric, 4-way stretch, sweat wicking, built-in fabric liner, flat seamed for chafe resistance, gusset is placed to allow increased mobility, zip pockets, tapered fit for glutes and thighs, 7-inch inseam, 9-inch liner, size large. Now for all of their bottoms, I wear a large. For all their tops, I wear an extra large. And here are my measurements for everything as well, if you guys are interested. So these are the shorts. Let me just fix the liner here. Okay, so with these shorts, they kind of look like a standard, mesh style short. They're super nice. They have zipper pockets on the side, a little bit of ventilation. It does look like there's a back pocket type thing, but there isn't. Drawstring on the front. Loop holder for hanging on the back if you want to do so. And then inside here are the 9-inch compression short type liner. I bought these specifically for working out. That's what I'm going to use them for. I tested them yesterday and I absolutely love them. They're super comfortable. But now let's do a try on. Okay, so here we have this short. Now I would recommend wearing these without underwear underneath because it's very not comfortable when you're wearing your own underwear plus the liner. But they do look like just a normal short here on the sides. You can see they do have the zipper pockets. I like them for working out because the built-in liner. So if they do move around and wiggle a little bit, you're still not flashing anyone while you're working out, which is super nice. I also do like the drawstrings as well. They're a little more heavy duty, which is good to see. No pockets in the back, which I wish there was one right here, but not a super big deal, especially because these are zipper pockets. But for working out, these are perfect for my needs. I love my earth tones. I love that. So the colorway is super nice. Happy with that. And here they are. We'll do one turn. There you guys go. Now I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, I'm going to be the #1 source for all things Lululemon on YouTube very, very soon. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and be one of the first ones to join. Thanks for watching, guys.